Apricot oil is lightweight, non-sticky, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone ones. It's gentle and mild, making it ideal for oil cleansing, facial massages, and skin care formulations. Argan oil, a dry oil, is ideal for removing makeup and smudging under-eye makeup as it is non-greasy, moisturizes, and doesn't leave skin greasy after use. Anise oil, with its natural antimicrobial properties, effectively cleanses and prevents blemishes, making it a valuable addition to skincare routines. Black pepper oil can effectively combat acne by removing excess oil, dirt, and bacteria, opening pores, cleansing the face, and removing dead skin cells through regular use. Rejuvenate, a spice with blood purifying and antiseptic properties, is effective in treating skin infections due to its ability to cleanse the blood from within. Rejuvenate seeds are beneficial for skin due to their thyme content, which reduces bacterial growth, and their daily use can lead to cleaner skin. Barley brands gently cleanse and exfoliate skin by eliminating dead cells, dirt, grime, and excess oil by creating a fine powder and washing face with it. Amla is known for its ultra-skin cleansing properties, which gently exfoliate your skin to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Sweet almond oil is a lightweight, potent skin purging oil with vitamin A content, effectively removing contaminants, excess sebum, dead skin, and clogged pores. Castor oil can be used as a deep facial cleanser, effectively treating acne and removing dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils, unlike harsh chemicals found in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers that dry out the skin. Castor oil's antimicrobial properties, combined with its anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce pimple appearance. This could be achieved by pairing castor oil-infused products with antimicrobial cleansers like Acne Cleanser. Apply almond oil to face and neck, then use it as a double cleansing step, wiping off with wet cotton pads or lukewarm water. Black pepper oil effectively cleanses skin, treats moderate allergies and infections, and promotes beautiful, glowing skin through its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Oily skin, a common issue in teenagers and adults, worsens in hot and humid weather. To achieve a matte skin tone, use gram flour packs, which absorb excess oil, cleanse the skin, and maintain pH levels. Its alkalizing properties help maintain skin pH balance. Amla's healing properties cleanse, reduce pigmentation, treat skin diseases like leprosy, psoriasis, allergies, and eczema, aid in skin whitening, and remove tans, effectively fading pigmentation marks. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce rosacea-related redness and inflammation, making it a soothing ingredient for toner or facial mask applications. Regular use of this oil can significantly improve facial cleanliness, reduce dirt and impurities, enhance facial cells' brightness, eliminate lip pigmentation, and brighten the eye area. Black seed oil, with a low comedogenic rating of 2, has soothing properties, potential acne treatment efficacy, and cleansing and soothing properties.